Hi everyone, welcome back to the CADfx channel. Do you know what a Geo-Referenced image is, and how it can be used in design projects? Today, I'm going to show you what Geo-Referenced images are, how we can create them, and how to use them effectively in your design workflows. Let's get started. What is the Geo-Referenced image? A Geo-Referenced image is a raster image like an aerial photo, satellite image, or scan map that has real-world spatial coordinates assigned to it. This allows the image to be accurately placed and used in geographic information systems or mapping software. In today's tutorial, I'll be using three software tools: Google Earth, GlobalMapper, and Autodesk Civil 3D. We'll create a Geo-Referenced image using GlobalMapper. Google Earth will be used to prepare the path and other site elements, and then I'll show you how to bring everything into Civil 3D and work with the Geo-Referenced image in your design workflow. Let's dive in. I'm going to start with Google Earth. I'll be using the default coordinate system, which is WGS80 for Geographic Coordinate System, as Google Earth uses it by default. However, you can use any coordinate system that matches your country or the region you're working in. In GlobalMapper and Civil 3D, we can change coordinate system. I've already created some road elements using another software, but you can also create road elements directly in Google Earth using the Add Path tool. In this tutorial, I'll also create two buildings using the Add Polygon tool in Google Earth to represent basic structures. In my previous video, I already explained how to create polygons and paths in Google Earth. If you're not familiar with that process, please check out that video. The link is in the description below. After finishing my work in Google Earth, I save the file as a KMZ. Now, let's see how to import this data into GlobalMapper. Alright, let's jump into GlobalMapper. In the software interface, I'm going to open the KMZ file we created in Google Earth by clicking on Open Data Files. Then, I'll navigate to the location where the file is saved. Now let's open the file. You can see all the data has loaded perfectly. Let's zoom in a bit. Our two buildings are also visible, with the colors we assigned in Google Earth. Next, we need to add a satellite image to this area. To do that, go to the toolbar and click on Connect to Online Data. In the Select Data Source window, you'll see many options. Since we need imagery, I'll select World Imagery and click Connect. Within a few seconds, the satellite image will appear in our workspace. Okay, let me change the color of the road lines for better visibility. To do this, I'll go to our feature layer, right-click on it, then go to Options and select Line Styles. From there, I'll assign random colors to the features by clicking Assign Random Colors, then hit Apply, and click OK. You can see the colors changing. Now, I'm going to capture the image. To do this, I'll right-click on World Imagery, go to Layer, and select Export. Then I'll click OK to proceed. Here, I'm not going to change anything, but we need to check in the Layer Selection dialog box that the tick in front of World Imagery is turned on. If it's not ticked, please select it to turn it on. Next, we need to select the export format. This is one of the most important parts of this tutorial. In the drop-down list, there are many options. You should choose the type that matches your requirements. Here, I'm going to select GeoTIFF because I need an image with geolocation data. Then, click OK to continue. You can see the next dialog box appear with export options. Here, you can choose the image quality, color type, and many other settings. Please take some time to explore these options, but I'm not going to explain all of them here. I'll keep the image options as they are. Next, I want to select our image area. I'll click the Export Bounds tab here. You can select the area as a box using the Draw Box button, or you can use another layer boundary if you've already prepared one. I click on the Draw Box button because I want to select my image area directly on the screen. Once choose my area using the mouse, then press OK. I'm not going to change anything else here, so I press OK again to continue. Finally, I need to give the image a name and choose the location to save it. I give the image a name, I'll call it BG1 and then click Save. Another dialog box appears, showing the file downloading status. The download time depends on your internet connection speed and the settings you configured in the previous steps. Okay, our image is ready now. Next, we need to import the image into our drawing. Let's see how to do that. Okay, now I'm opening Autodesk Civil 3D and creating a new file using the metric template. First, I want to import my Google Earth data to confirm the correct location. To do this, I'm using the map import command. In the File Open dialog box, I select the KMZ file I already created, which contains the roads and buildings. In this dialog box, I'm not going to change anything. If you've already selected a coordinate system in Civil 3D, it will appear here. I haven't selected any coordinate system because I use the default coordinate system in Google Earth. Then, I click OK to continue, and all the objects I created in Google Earth are now loaded into my Civil 3D file. Okay, now I'm going to do the final step of this tutorial, inserting our image. To do this, I'm using the map insert command. This command can be used to import different types of images into Civil 3D. After entering the command, a dialog box appears. Next, I choose my Geo-Referenced image that I already created in GlobalMapper. You can see the image is correctly located in our drawing. Now, let's send this image to the back so we can see our roads and buildings on top. Perfect. This is one way to create a high-quality image and import it into Civil 3D. After importing all the data, you can proceed with your design or any other tasks related to your work or project. Okay guys, I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to subscribe to learn more tips like this. See you in the next video.